tone. Cinematic, rhythmic, and punchy. 000. From raw meat, 002 to 10,000 links per hour. 005. This is the high-speed world of industrial sausage making. 009. Precision grinding, robotic stuffing, and the secret to that perfect hickory smoke. 013. Witness the marvel of modern meat engineering. Every high-quality sausage begins with premium selection. Chilled cuts of lean pork and beef are transported into a strictly controlled environment where expert trimmers ensure only the best protein makes the cut. Precision is key. Once weighed, the meat enters the industrial grinder. Watch as high-speed stainless steel blades transform solid blocks into a perfectly uniform texture. Next, the flavor profile. A rhythmic waterfall of sea salt, cracked pepper, and secret spices is infused into the meat, followed by a chilled hydration process to ensure maximum succulence. This is where the magic happens. In the high-speed bowl cutter, lathes rotate at a staggering 3000 RPM. The result? A perfectly smooth, pink emulsion with an elastic consistency that defines the perfect bite. To ensure a flawless finish, a vacuum stuffer removes every microbubble. Meanwhile, a delicate collagen casing is prepared on the stuffing horn. Then, the birth of the sausage. With surgical accuracy, the emulsion is pumped into the casing, instantly twisting into a continuous, rhythmic wave of perfectly sized links. Robotic precision takes over as thousands of links are looped onto stainless steel smokesticks, creating a mesmerizing display of industrial symmetry. As the massive steel doors seal shut, the transformation begins. Natural hickory wood chips ignite, filling the chamber with a dense, fragrant smoke and an intense orange glow. Over several hours, a deep mahogany red hue develops. Once the internal sensors signal the perfect safety temperature, the doors reveal a wall of aroma and gold standard sausages. A sudden shift in temperature. An ice-cold mist shower instantly locks in the flavor and creates that signature snap on the skin. High-speed blades snip the links with lightning speed. For skinless varieties, a specialized peeler strips away the temporary casing to reveal a flawless surface. A literal river of finished sausages flows toward the final check, where every single piece is inspected for uniform shape, color, and quality. The final stage, protection. Sausages are aligned perfectly before a high-tech vacuum sealer sucks out the air, snapping the film tight to preserve freshness. Labels are applied with laser precision, followed by an X-ray safety scan to guarantee a 100% safe product for your table. Stacked by tireless robotic arms, these packs are ready for the world. From the precision of the factory to the sizzle on your plate, this is the marvel of modern sausage making. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey today on Mass Production Marvels. We cherish every moment you shared with us. Remember to subscribe to the channel to see more cutting-edge production technologies. See you next time, keep creating and believe in yourself. Goodbye!